Hello friend, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the gear terminologies. This is a very important for the gear point of view. This is a simple profile of the gear and different terminology which are using in the gear are mentioned here. So very important terminology here is the pitch circle. So pitch circle, because all the measurement has been carried out in gear with reference to the pitch circle. So this is a very important. Pitch circle is imaginary circle where the pure rolling action takes place. You can understand gear. You can understand like this: when the another gear, another matting gear or mat here, the engagement start with here, and then when it's reached to there, at this pitch circle point, the gear rotate about the pitch point. Okay, rotates, and then after that disengagement process has been started. So this is important of the pitch circle. And to then another term is the addendum circle, the circle which is passing through the tip of the teeth. You can see this. And another important term is the dedendum. It is called a dedendum circle or root circle, which is passing at the root of the teeth. This one. This is the dedendum circle. Okay, and another term is there, addendum. Addendum is nothing but it is the radial distance measured from the pitch circle to the top of the teeth. This is the dedendum. This is addendum, sorry. And dedendum, the radial distance measured from pitch circle to the root of the circle. So this is called the dedendum. And this is the circular pitch. Is the very important terminology. Circular pitch, it is, you can say, defined as this is circular pitch measure along the circumference of pitch circle from one point of the one teeth to the same point to the adjacent teeth. You can say this is the circular pitch. Another term is the top land, face width, which is the width of the teeth, and and clearance. Clearance, you can define that. You can say this is the radial distance from top of the one teeth to the between the top of the one teeth to the bottom of the another teeth. You can like this. Okay, so clearance, or here another which comes at in these points and these points. Okay, so this is called the clearance. Okay, these are some important point gear terminology which has been used. And some working depth is also the radial distance measured between the addendum circle to the clearance circle. This is the clearance circle. And hole depth, this is the radial distance measured between the addendum circle to that dedendum circle, or you can say it is equal to addendum plus dedendum of the circle. Understood? And working depth, it is equal to the addendum plus clearance. Understood? So we can say this is the now see some important terminologies here. Okay, one is that circular pitch. So circular pitch, it is the distance measured along the circumference of the pitch circle from a point on one to the corresponding point to the adjacent tooth. I have already defined it. So P is equal to pi d upon T, where D is the pitch diameter and T the number of teeth. Okay. Then P circle I have already defined. Then another point is the pitch point, and it is a common point of contact of two pitch circle. Okay. Then important thing is that one is called the module. So basically, it is the ratio of pitch diameter. It is a ratio. You can see that it is a ratio of pitch diameter in mm to the number of teeth. Understood? Then you know that pi d upon t is called pitch circular pitch. Understood? So in another word we can write P is equal to pi m in term of module. Okay. Pressure angle. Pressure angle I will explain in the next lecture with the diagram. And here just to try to be understand, it is the angle between the common normal to two gear teeth at a point of contact and common tangent at pitch point. It is usually denoted by phi. And another term is the gear ratio. It is the ratio of number of teeth on gear and number of teeth on the pinion. Number of teeth on gear is T, capital T, and number of teeth on the pinion is small t. Velocity ratio. It is the ratio of angular velocity of a driven gear to the angular velocity of a driver gear. Velocity ratio omega 2 angular velocity of driven and angular velocity of driven, and this is omega 2 is the angular velocity of a driver. So 2 pi and t, 2 pi cancel, then it's become n2 upon n1, and this is a d1, it is called a d1 upon d2, d1 upon d2, okay, and t1 upon t2. So this relation can be used as velocity ratio. Okay, this term I have already explained at the beginning. Understood? So thank you so much for listening this.